let's go to this is only few properties. As we are going ahead into it, I'll take you through other properties. When you talk about worksheet, what is a worksheet? When you come here, the sheets that are open, let me open a new file. When you open a new file, you will see that it comes with only one sheet. 2010 onwards, you will see one sheet. 7 used to come with 3 sheets open. So you'll have, this is the first sheet, and this entire place is known as worksheet. Let me make it a little small so that it fits in the window. So this is basically your worksheet. Now, what do you see in this worksheet? What we see is A, B, C, D. These are known as column headers. I'll just mark them up. These are your row headers. When you look in here, here you have formula bar, and here you have, this is your name box. This is going to be very handy when we go forward. Now, before we go into more properties of workbook, let's start with shortcut keys, and I'll help you out